Hey everybody, hey Brian. We're at the new building. Let's check on the progress. Some more great progress. We have our first layer of asphalt done on the back half of our building. So this will help keep some of the dirt out during construction. But we have so much blacktop back here. I had no idea we were getting all of this, which will actually be really nice for all the trucks coming in, as well as all of our trailers and stuff that we store. So yeah, first layer down, thumbs up. The excavation company has been here laying the top layer of topsoil down, as you can see across the back here. They also fixed our hill, which we had erosion from the winter, because we had to side cut this hill because this entire property was rolling hills. Then there's our outbuilding. As you can see now, they're putting down some straw mat so that will keep the hill from eroding in the future. We're inching ever closer to actually having power, which is supposed to be turned on this Saturday. Yay, finally. But cool, the electricians have got lights installed. Thinking at its finest, this inside office, we have decided to do the whole thing in plywood and just paint the plywood because it will hold up so much better than drywall. So they have started here. And one of the thoughts that we had for this upstairs space that we were gonna use for offices, I think we're gonna turn it into an OBEYA room. If you don't know an OBEYA room, you can check it out, but basically it's a strategy room. So our value streams can go up there and look at metrics, have boards, have improvement boards, and do a bunch of stuff to kind of plan all the lean improvements that we're making. Casey and Landon and Colin have been working on putting up our wash booth. We found this on Marketplace. It's actually by Revere, which is the same system that we're using for our wash system. So it's pretty cool. We found that used, but we're getting it installed now. So that's out of the way. Update on our Mazak Smart Cell. The laser's in, it's cutting, it's running. We're using a generator to power it right now, but it's good. Cuts are good. The elevator for the TechMag automation system is all in and good. And now they're messing with the robot, as you can see here. They're working off our AMR cart right there. So this machine's gonna unload onto this cart. The AMR will drive it out, bring it right here into production flow. In an effort to standardize, we bought another 100-ton press. So now we'll have two 100-ton presses. The 80-ton press we have works, but it won't press all of our parts. But the 100-ton presses will. So we'll have two 100-ton presses so that press operators can press any parts. They won't be stuck figuring out which ones can run which. The sprinkler guys are on their final 2 runs of pipe, and then the sprinkler system will be all hung throughout the entire building. Behind me is the wall for our engineering department, what we call shed tech. So that has insulation as well. I'll show you the inside. Let's take a look. Walking into our engineering room, this is shed tech. As you can see, we got this like haze going on because the concrete's sweating and the temperature is kind of making like a London fog. We have 3 garage doors. We'll have hoists in here. We were able to wash over here, so we actually have a wash basin there so we can wash vehicles. But it'll be cool because all the engineers are wanting to move their desks down here on the shop floor, right where the work is being done. So I think that is going to be a huge improvement for them. Here is the main office structure. And right now they're actually working on reinforcing. We're pouring concrete on the second deck. So that way it stays super lean. We don't have to put down floor coverings, and it can just be just like the rest of the office floor, just concrete. Keep it industrial. We'll have walls that go all the way up right here. We're doing a gym here, my podcast studio down there, conference room on the 2nd level. That's the break room. It's so cool and it's gonna be so big. This is the showroom. So this is where our vehicles will be staged. Garage door right there, ton of natural light. Staircase that'll go up into the upstairs. This is super awesome. I'm really, really excited to have a space like this. This is nothing we've ever had before. Anyways, hope you like coming on that adventure. Really cool progress. I'm excited to get power and I'm excited to get moving. So hopefully we are counting down the days and not gonna run into any more real big hiccups.